Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes. So you'll make another purchase,
Okay.
same item pen only at a different rate.
With different supplier.
This different supplier also.
Okay. Item of purchase is giving only for this. But in that case, that subcontract supplier will become change. Like we have to select a different supplier.
Hey, no problem. Means BOM also will be different.
No, it will be remains. We can use the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same BOM is okay.
Supplier. Yes. Yes.
One question, sir.
Yes. He is now making another purchase from another supplier. Let's
Question
see how
is-
it is.
Like here, now if you are transferring 10 refill, that means you are expecting 10 pen, but one refill was not working there
On
at the time of assembly. That was not done. So you haven't received 10 pen.
He will send only 9.
9.
Hmm.
Then in that case,
He will send only 9. You have to send one more refill. कुछ नहीं है.
or that we need a report.
That's why ad was there. No, their ad was there actually. But maybe you can add on. We'll see that.
Later
Can
on,
we
we
give
can
this
do that.
suppose 2 rupees for assembly charge for?
Make it 3 rupees so that it looks different.
Okay. Now for that supply we are given 20 rupees.
20, yeah, 22.
Yeah.
No, it looks same 0 except for 0.
To make it this one 15, then it will be easy
15.
in range.
Okay.
Where we are receiving these things.
This is purchase order. He is making a purchase order
Okay. After
for
that,
this assembly. From the he will send the material
okay,
to,
now he will send.
and
After
then
that,
he will receive here on.
when he will receive the product,
He'll in the purchase order he will directly receive. Go to the purchase order and receive it.
receive the finished product.
Now he sent the item.
You send the item
Now he will go to the purchase order. From purchase order he will make a material receipt.
Metal receipt.
Okay. So here can we change the quantity?
Now what one question is there from Vikram. Suppose he doesn't assemble all the 10. How many quantities you are requesting?
Only one.
Only one. Okay. Suppose he can't assemble one item is faulty. So he can't send all the fully assembled items.
Okay.
Suppose 10 is what is the asked quantity. So one is faulty. So he doesn't assemble it. He returns only 9.
Okay.
So how do you enter that in the system? One is he will return the items.
But he will say that one material is defect from our side.
Yeah.
Okay.
One is maybe defective from our side, or one got damaged at the, in the
During
process.
Yeah, I think in that
So
case.
where you can send an extra item for, suppose you want to send another refill for the customer, that vendor.
No, I don't want to send. I
Okay,
only want to know that I
Uh.
have given the order for 10, but due to his mistake only, because I am correct, because the vendor always think he is correct. Na?
Okay, so
So-
he'll send only 9 back. One he'll give the faulty material.
Faulty material. So I want a report of this that saying that one item was not received by this one.
So for that, maybe there is separate rejected quantity we can mention for that.
Rejected quantity.
Instead of accepting
Where,
quantity.
in which
So rejected quantity, what is that? Suppose you now you have made only one, make it for 5 numbers, 10 numbers.
Okay.
Purchase order. This you receive it, no problem. Now we'll finish it off.
Okay.
So make for another for 10 quantity.
Sure. So is supplier warehouse needs to accept warehouse.
They're not listening there.
They are listening.
But voice is not here.
Volume come.
It's different supply 15 number.
The problem is that they will always tell that your raw material is faulty.
No, either way.
Either way.
See, we are not worried about who is right, who is wrong,
Huh.
but we are only worried about how to enter the system. Correct, no? We are not, that business is not our headache.
okay. We are
We
going
make
to
10 quantity
quantity. Yeah.
and he will supply only 9.
Okay. But we from our side we are going to send all raw materials, right? Full
All
quantity.
everything you will give, yes.
Okay.
So 4 transactions needs to be entry here, no?
One purchase order,
Hmm.
and then material transfer,
Material transfer.
and
material
then
receipt.
receipt, and then purchase invoice. In case materials are not available, you have to make a purchase order for the material also. That it is still okay, these materials has to be purchased.
So in this case, accepted warehouse.
Sir, here
Hmm?
Yeah, in this case, accepted warehouse, we need to select accepted warehouse is finished.
Okay, no problem.
So then we are selecting their warehouse. Then rejected warehouse also we have to define.
Okay.
But we
You
have
put in some any of the one, no problem.
we'll create a scrap warehouse for that.
Okay.
Scrapped item. So that will
See
store-
here also only one item means
9.
the only refill is bad. Other things we may keep it. Only refill we may throw out.
So here received quantity is 1 and the rejected quantity is 1 from our side. Like we are saying, like
Yes.
yes, send the material, but it is rejected from our side due to some wrong assembly or some other reason.
Okay.
No, they haven't only sent.
Anyway, the material they'll give, no?
Okay.
They will give. They will not keep it. If you take it also, you have to take also.
But from our side, we are mentioning as a
We are
rejected
receiving the scrap quantity.
scrap. We are considering as we have received it, but we are saying as it is rejected.
Okay.
But in this case, it will not there in their bucket, but it will come out to our bucket. There is no pending from their side, so we accepted.
But we'll be making the payment for the rejected also. That I want to see. No. It has 15 it has 135. It has become.
Yes.
Otherwise, it would have been 150.
Yes.
So we are paying only for the good ones. Rejected ones, there is no payment.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So when we're creating a purchase invoice for this thing, we will give you only for 135 rupees. Yes.
Or else we can also make inward only 9, and other 2 make the material transfer to go stores. What is pending?
We can amend the quantity also, but we can amend the price also. Maybe it is not possible, but we can amend it like accepted.
Quantity we can amend it.
Like when we are making purchase invoice, if you want to give like a 10 amount type full amount, you can make it as 10. But I don't think so. It
No,
will not-
9 only. Now, where can we get a report for this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me finish this. Cash.
Give partial payment for this 100 rupees only.
That will make no problem. That separate we will see. You want to see only how
Yes,
that that's a common.
So
For all the-
profit in the screen. Not this. Maybe yeah. Item wise receipt.
Because you have not made any sale, no, it will not come there.
Yeah.
Purchase only will see.
So item wise purchase history.
Okay.
So,
But it has come as 10 only.
9 it should be, no?
purchase order we made for 10, but we received 9.
10 including the rejected quantity. is
Yeah,
showing
received
actually.
quantity is 9 over here.
received quantity 9.
Okay, then my stock should also be on the receipt quantity only. No?
Yeah, receipt
this
quantity
is
is 60. Yes.
But, in stock, we go to the stock. This is not stock. This is item
Ah,
okay,
purchase.
Okay.
Okay. Stock ledger. If you want to see, then we can
There only it was there.
general ledger. Where?
After that, stock ledger. General ledger, makers, then the stock ledger.
In the tabs.
Uh,
Yeah.
Next one.
So this is pen, right? Ink pen.
9 only it's coming. Okay.
Costing.
Costing it's okay, no? 23 rupees.
That's correct.
So we are considering scrap
15,
item also.
15 plus 8, 23. No?
Okay. So that rejected material, what happens to that?
It is coming over here only, sir. Scrapped item. You can see here. One item is a scrapped item.
But that costing needs to go to that item only. No?
It has gone or not? It's from checking.
For that scrapped item, we are not making any costing, sir. They are not making any cost. Incoming valuation cost is 0 only.
No, what I'm telling, say for 9 items we assembled,
But my
material
expense
is
is for 10 now.
10 items.
Yes.
So that is properly reflected or not? That is that we wanted to know actually. Correct. Now here, see incoming rate 23, how it became 8 plus 15, 23.
23.
9 at 9.
9.
So, but this on previous you have to check how calculation you have to do.
No, sir. This one here, 9 plus this one, 23. This is correct.
This
But
is
the
correct.
cost will not be 23 only. Because my
Understood.
expense of that rejected quantity should go on this. So that should be increased to maybe 24 point something.
That
So my
this
profit
is
margin
incoming
should get
rate, no?
reduced.
But it will change. The valuation rate will change. This is same.
Okay.
Incoming rate is same, but valuation rate should change.
Yeah, it is showing 24.
That you have to see how it has come. You can find out.
24.4.
Open the Excel sheet.
So it's very easy.
Hmm.
The total how much we have paid? 150, 135. Na?
But we have sold also in between, no? Okay, that has that also.
Okay.
We
23.
sold for 28, I think. Yeah.
23 into 9, 207. That is divided by.
See where
24.
first way, which one we assembled at 28 rupees we assembled, no?
Yes.
First 20 plus 8. So now how many are there now?
At that time, 5 was there.
5 plus
6
1.
was there. 2 we sold.
2 you sold,
4
Yeah.
is there.
Balance was 4. Then 28 was valuation, right? Then again,
we
one
will make
we
it
sold.
28 into 1, 28 into 1,
Yeah.
28 into 1
28 into 6,
plus
plus
Plus 5 is 5
28
quantity was there.
into 6, or in 28 into
4 only.
Oh no, this is not balance, but wrong. 28 into 1, 28 into 3,
Okay.
plus 27 into 1.
Plus 27 into 1.
That is also wrong actually. 28 into 1, 28 into 3, 23 into 1.
Not 3, sir. You have 5, only directly 3.
Because we are taking quantity.
Okay.
So
After
how,
that,
I'll open Excel sheet. It will be easy actually. 1 minute. Excel is better. He can only, okay. Yeah, take a new tab. Oh, you here only you're taken. Yeah, I'll make it here only.
Okay.
Here type it. No, down only. You're taken already. No, just make here somewhere down. Yeah, 1 into 28.
Formula equal to yes.
1 into 15. Why has come directly?
I5 it is.
Yeah, 1
Okay.
into 28.
28 plus 3 into 28. Correct, no?
Hmm.
Plus 1, plus 23. 1 into 23, 23 directly.
Plus 23
Plus 23 into 9.
divided by total number of quantity.
9 divided by how much?
3 plus 1, 4,
4,
5
5,
plus 9, 14.
9. For divided by 49.
14.
14.
14, sir.
14. Okay.
Second 22.
Huh.
But here it's 24. Somewhere we missed something.
Valuation rate 28.
Maybe instead of 3, we should multiply by 5.
Because 2 is sold now.
Uh,
So anyhow, that effect is same actually.
uh,
And that's why here I think formula may be wrong, I think. I'll write once again.
So it is calculating total balance value divided by balance quantity. 24.40.
342 divided by 14.
Yeah, 342
I don't
divided by 14. Balance value divided by balance quantity. It is calculating the valuation.
It's okay, but how it arrived at balance value, that is also important, no?
Balance value, okay. It is calculating like this. Maybe 1 into 28, 16 into 28,
168.
then 4 into 28, 28 it is 112.
That is minus.
No, that is the balance quantity and valuation rate multiplication it will give.
Yeah, balance
Is the other
quantity.
way actually.
It's doing the opposite. 168 plus 28. Plus
See now first
155.
we made 1 now. 1 we made. Okay. At the rate of 28. Okay. And then the valuation rate was
28.
huh?
Valuation rate was
28.
Yeah.
That was clear. Okay.
Then if we are not able to find, then we'll make one different item and then we'll check.
That also we can do. You make new item pen instead of here.
Then we do only one transaction of that.
Okay, we'll see that.
Purchase order of 10 and
One
then
reject.
one rejected. Then we see what's the valuation.
You make a new one only. Yeah, same thing you can make. Okay.
Name only change.
That is also BOM 2 will become.
Item also.
No, pen item should be different, no? Item should be, new item should be there.
Ingredient we can do same. Do we have any fresh unit for this one? We have the next
Fresh
unit.
From beginning you want to do.
So that same time I'll start that one also. If we face any problem in doing exact transaction, they are taking this DLT people.
DLT. They will take it, they need. But yeah, I can't put too much of pressure on Chef. Daily I can't ask what happened, what happened. We have to give him some time.
Okay.
But they will take. But by the time this is the time for us also to
Okay. So we'll test this.
instead of getting stuck at the customer and then live test, we be perfect now itself so that we can finish the installation within 1 week.
Yes.
So how much price we can give for this item, sir?
This is a purchase right now.
Assembly cost.
Simply I'd make it 3 rupees. I don't want to give so much, 15 rupees like that.
Okay.
Okay, done.
So purchase order of how much quantity? 10.
10 quantity.
Okay, we'll make receive now.
I think we need to create a stock entry for those raw materials. Let me create it.
Okay.
Stock entry.
How much you receive? Okay, now you made send material, send to subcontractor. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you are receiving.
Yeah.
You'll receive only 9.
Okay.
So the total 3, cost of the pen is 8 rupees. 8 plus 3, 12 rupees.
So
12
now
into 10,
basically 27 is the charge what we are giving
for him.
for him,
Huh.
and the rest is my raw material cost.
Okay.
Okay. Raw material will not change, no? Will it not put
Let's see. That's what happens. Now, what will be the valuation rate? We'll see.
because raw material should not, raw material it should consider for the 10 quantity itself.
Yeah, that has gone to the scrap now.
Yeah. This one.
9. Incoming rate 11.
8 plus 3.
8 plus 3, 11.
8 plus 3, 11.
Hmm.
So it has taken 11 only.
Valuation rate also 11.
11 only.
11. That means
So
the
the
raw
scrap
material-
is not coming here.
That means whose responsibility is this scrap?
No, we have not scrapped anything. Only we have inward that material.
So what happened to that last scrap one?
That is
Waste
different
material.
item. That is different item.
Huh? Here you made only for 9.
Yeah, I received only for 9. I have not rejected.
I should have rejected actually.
Okay.
You take another one, same one remain. Still it will be showing a pending.
Yeah. We can do it.
That means system is expecting one more for next delivery.
Where it will be showing pending items?
Maybe they will not give in one slot all the. Now next time when we receive, we'll
Where it will be showing? Okay, suppose one is pending from this customer.
That we can see in
this
purchase order.
vendor.
In purchase order, we can see is like one is pending from their side.
Then again we have to pass everything. All
So
four
for it to be
transactions.
received.
So only in a stock received now we should.
Yeah, then I think everything is already done.
In receipt only, stock receipt only we can do.
Let's see.
So here we can see one is pending from their side.
Okay, then can we go to the stock
Receive that as a scrap.
Yeah.
No, direct receipt. This also we test.
Receipt means it will become 12.
In 2 batches he is giving.
Okay. No, but I want to reject here one.
Okay, first we'll load it, we'll not
okay.
save.
Okay. No, it has to, unless you submit, it won't show there.
No, I'll not save that. I just want to, okay, accept quantity 1, it's automatically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shouldn't it accept
Okay,
or
accept.
No, reject it.
Reject it.
Okay.
No, it doesn't. Okay.
reject warehouse? Okay.
It said the warehouse.
Accepted warehouse. You want to cancel. Yeah.
Now whether the valuation rate changed, no sir.
Valuation rate has not changed.
It's treating as a scrapped item. Now it's our responsibility to whether we will use this scrap item or we'll throw it back. Whose expense? I want to put this expense on item cost.
It will go as a loss.
Loss, but to whom loss? Loss to whom?
That's the owner actually. But,
No, but I want to put the cost of this waste material on that 9 quantity. So that I should come to know that
No.
my profit margin should less. Because if I consider it for 9 rupees, means 11 rupees, 8 plus 3, that is, means I have invested for 10 quantity, but I am receiving 9. That means my profit margin will be less here. So that whatever the scrap quantity is there, that price I want to put on that 9 quantity.
Is there any facility like that?
No, sir.
So it is directly going to the scrap.
Scrap, yeah.
So it is not
So
having
now
any.
what to do with this scrap?
Scrap will be a loss.
So where it will show that this is loss for me?
It will be showing in the scrap
Warehouse.
warehouse, showing as a stock. When
So-
you liquidate it, then you have to enter it.
Okay, can we just stock out transfer without receiving anything? Means we are not selling this one. I want to just out of stock this one. I don't want to keep it in my stock. I'm just throwing it out. Then it will check whether the valuation will change.
क्या है जरा वो तो देख
Have you got the points? What
This
No,
scrap
no.
item, we cannot make the value 0.
value is 0 already.
Value is 0, incoming rate, one stop. So it has no value now. But it is showing 1 in the incoming stock, incoming warehouse.
Sir, there are two conditions with the scrap. Like sometimes we sell the scrap also, or we may reuse the scrap.
Yeah, one like
We
you
may
want to reuse the
reuse,
scrap, you can use, sir.
or we sell that scrap
Reuse means you can transfer from the scrap warehouse.
from this warehouse to another warehouse.
But it is there as a pen. It is not there as a pots now.
But if we want to sell it with a lesser price,
You cannot disassemble. Suppose he has not assembled as pen, he has just written the items. That is, there is no, I think there is no such facility.
no. So can we remove this as a stock from this stock?
From
Let's
scrap
just check it out.
warehouse.
Yes, from a scrap warehouse, so that system should know that that item has been thrown out. That cost.
So if you want to remove from here, you have to do some certain transaction.
ठीक है ना
When we remove,
If you want to remove that item from the scrap warehouse, you need to do you need to perform some transaction, like you have to transfer some other warehouse, or you need to sell to somebody, like that.
we cannot throw it out.
No, you have to say something like that. This is like
Can we
scrap.
see, we'll create one account instead of any supplier account. We'll create one account and then we'll do the stock out transfer.
well known
I'm not sure it is correct answer for you. Like I'm not sure. So let me answer for your question. I'm not sure this is like proper answer to you, but there is an option in the inventory called perpetual inventory. Okay, the perpetual inventory will consider as like which are all unused items there staying in the warehouse that can be destroyed. So the process can be used in this. Perpetual inventory process of warehouse.
Okay,
अरे बच्चे को भूख लग रही है
Yasin.
Yeah, I moved. Maybe perpetual inventory we can use for that.
Yeah, tell me.
Perpetual inventory, there is an option for that.
Okay,
Perpetual inventory. I think we need to enable it.
that is periodic inventory versus perpetual inventory, no?
Yeah, that is one, sir. With that option, we need to enable and we can destroy this item from the scrapped warehouse.
and then costing for that item,
Uh,
where it will go?
don't have idea, sir. I will check and let's let you know, sir. Maybe that.
Yeah, sure.
Costing of scrapped items where it will consider all the things. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Because in manufacturing, it is possible that you can reuse the scrap or you sell the scrap. So that is why in most of the system, that option is there to make it in a separate warehouse, a scrap warehouse. And then after that, you decide whether you want to reuse or you want to sell it.
Sell it. Okay.
Okay. But now in our case, what is that? That is a completely waste. So in manufacturing also, we use select as a wastage or as a scrap. In our Onyx system, option is there. Okay, whether this scrap, whatever is there, whether you want to reuse.
Okay. Material transfer, if you see the material transfer from one warehouse to another warehouse, scrap to default MG.
Now, if you want that way, he can do. Correct now, Sunil?
Yes, sir.
In case we want the rejected item
Reuse.
cost
Yeah.
to be distributed to the
9
quantity.
Remaining 9 quantity.
Mhm.
That means if 8 plus the 11 rupees is the
See now,
cost.
11 rupees is the total cost.
So 11 divided by 9.
Now 9 into 11. Correct now.
Yeah.
What we got at the, so on that actually this 8 rupees 1 pen is wasted. So that you load it onto the remaining items to increase the cost.
Yes. So my cost will become 12.2 rupees. Not
So
11
that he
rupees.
can write a procedure and then do it. Correct now?
Yeah, we can do it, sir.
You can do it. If you want that way, you can do it.
Yeah.
Then it will not go to a scrap warehouse.
Can you go to the scrap also?
But in warehouse also it is showing and there.
But it's showing zero value.
Value is 0, but quantity it will show no.
Quantity is show with
Then somebody
zero value.
But if somebody wants to sell that, will it pick?
It means that will come as a profit then. Directly it goes as income. Here,
But that should not be possible. No?
see here what
Either it is a wastage or it is a good product. It cannot be both at the same time. You are telling
that's
what you
why
are-
here that's why it is not taken that item at all into consideration, wasted item. Actually, this is coming under purchase. Actually, this is how it is happening.
Actually, this
Purchase
is,
coming as a purchase 1 item we are rejecting. So there it's correct. We'll see that how it can be done, how to suppose any wastage scrappage is there,
Sir,
how to distribute that costing.
No, what I did now is like, sir, here I just transfer the quantity from scrapped warehouse to finished FD warehouse. So it got transferred. Like it is added to our balance quantity, but thing is like it is not calculated the incoming cost for that item.
Yeah, it's not done anything. So incoming it's taken as 0 because you are just moved from one warehouse to other warehouse.
Yeah.
But 11 rupees how it came?
The valuation rate.
That is the valuation rate of the old valuation rate. It is remained as it is.
Yeah.
Okay. This will see the effect of wastage and the product costing, how it works.
Okay. Okay.
So one more question is there, which
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
See, now this BOM is okay because here in the BOM, one more thing you wanted is that alternate material, how to use it.
Okay.
Suppose one item is not available, how you can take the other item? Where do you define that? Tomorrow, not for today. So other is actually, see now like consider an item like a banner.
Okay.
Where they put in the shops or malls, outside they put a banner. So the banner actually size is not fixed.
Okay.
for one order it is fixed, but for next order again,
No, means,
permanently not fixed.
See,
Transaction price it will change.
see what all the material goes into that item, it's fixed. These are the items will go into that item. Some items it will go, if it is length is more, that item may go, otherwise length is small, that item may not go also. In that case, it could be 0. But list of items which go into the product is there. That is a BOM.
Okay.
Consumption
But
is based
what
on
quantity we
something.
use is not fixed. That is changing from item to item.
Based on length and width.
Okay.
Sunil,
Yeah. Okay.
you understood?
Can you please repeat once again, sir?
So now we have an item
Okay.
like a banner. You can say banner.
Okay.
That is, banner is your company banner or some other exhibition. You put a banner.
Okay.
There's a banner. Okay.
Okay.
So the list of item is there, which will make the banner.
Okay.
Maybe the tube light, maybe the cloth, maybe that supporting structure, all those things.
Okay.
So these are the items that will go into the banner.
Okay.
But the banner size is not fixed.
Okay.
And so depending on the stall or depending on the where you put the banner size may vary.
Okay.
So when the banner size varies, the material that go into that also quantity will change.
Yeah. Mhm.
Same materials, but with a different quantity it will go.
Means we have one formula for that.
Yeah.
So we got, so like this means how we can handle it.
Like the standard in a bomb bill of material, maybe the standard thing we have to define. Say for example, a square feet, how much raw material we need for that. So then second, like a double of square feet, then how much, like it will get, quantity will get double. Like that.
It may get double. Actually, sometimes we don't know, but we will give the quantity at the time of what is the manufacture.
Okay.
Or as soon as we get the order, one person will sit and open the BOM. BOM only item list will come. So quantity is what is required. Actually, he will write it.
Okay, at the time we have to amend the quantity. Okay.
Or else there will be a formula.
Mm.
On the based on the formula, you can that items has to pick up.